Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. In today's video, we're getting a little quirky. I love to build quirky stuff. I love to build artsy stuff. I love to build different and weird stuff. And in today's video is no different. Today, I'm building a spoon holder in the shape of, name that state, Louisiana. Why? Long story short, my daughter went on a business trip with her husband. They stayed at a fancy hotel. My daughter acquired a spoon from that hotel. She sent me a picture of it, and I told her that she needed a spoon holder. She told me, or asked me, if I could build her one. And I said, why not? So in today's video, that's what we're doing. We're building a spoon holder. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, now I've got to mount my wall hanger clip onto the back of this, and this is an odd shape. So what I figured out, and I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, I grab it, and that's where I want it. Now it's, so then I take my pencil and right below my finger I make a mark. So now where my mark is, I can put my wall hanger clip on it, and then when you hang it on the wall it will hang straight. I'm going to put a screw in, but there's my clip. So if I grab it right here, that's the way I want it. Alright, that's the Louisiana spoon holder build. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. That way you can see more quirky builds that I decide to post. But until then, you guys keep building.